Number 13 question, 2023 bar exam. Rita asked Bilin, a 14 years old girl, to meet with her at Dumart supermarket for an errand. Upon meeting at the supermarket, however, Rita brought Bilin to the nearby hotel and met Elmer. Rita left the other two in the room where Elmer had carnal knowledge of Bilin. When Rita returned, Elmer paid her 2,200 pesos, of which 700 pesos was then given to Bilin. Rita warned Bilin not to tell anyone about what happened before they could all leave the hotel room. The police barged in and arrested Elmer and Rita. During the investigation, Rita argued that she did not force Bilin to have sex with Elmer for a fee. Bilin herself admitted that she consented to have sexual intercourse with Elmer. What crime, if any, is Rita liable for? Explain. Answer. Rita is liable for white slave trade, corruption of minors, violation of anti-child abuse law, and violation of anti-trafficking in person act. This future bar examinee and future Filipino lawyer begs to qualify the answer that according to the revised Penal Code of in Article 340, it stated corruption of minors. Any person who shall promote or facilitate the prostitution or corruption of person underage to satisfy the lust of another shall be punished by prison mayor. And if the culprit is a public officer or employee, including those in government-owned or controlled corporations, he shall also suffer the penalty of temporary disqualification. As amended by BP Bilang 22, further, Article 341 stated, white slave trade, the penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum periods shall be imposed upon any person who in any manner or under any pretext shall engage in the business or shall profit by prostitution or shall enlist services of any other for the purpose of prostitution as amended by BP Bilang 186 March 16, 1982. In People versus Aguirre et al., GR number 219952, November 20, 2017, it stated, the recruitment and transportation punished under Section 3, Paragraph 9 of RA 9208 may be, with or without the victim's consent of knowledge. Thus, it is of no moment that accused obtained the consent of private complainants. Lastly, under Section 10 of RA 7610, it is provided that any person who shall keep or have in his company a minor 12 years of age or under, or who is 10 years or more, is junior in any public or private place, hotel, brothel, bar, joint, discotheque, cabaret, pension house, sauna, or massage parlor, beach and or other tourist resort or similar places shall suffer the penalty of prison mayor on its maximum period and a fine of not less than 40,000 pesos, 50,000 pesos, provided that this provision shall not apply to any person who is related with the fourth degree of consanguinity or affinity or any bond recognized by law, local custom and tradition, or acts in the performance of a social, moral, or legal duty. to include. The problem stated, Rita argued that she did not force Belen to have sex with Elmer for a fee. Thus, it's clear that Belen committed corruption of minors, white slave trade, violation of child abuse, and violation of anti-trafficking of persons. So, that's it. Number 30, 13 question in 2023 bar exam in criminal law. Thank you for listening. Good day and God bless.